Hey everyone, and welcome to today's unboxing video. My name is Thomas and I'm from D1 Store, Australia's first and only DJI Authorised Retail Store. Today we're taking a product that DJI are not normally renowned for, and that is an audio product. The new DJI Mic is very different to what we would expect from DJI, but let's dive in and see what this wireless transmitter can do. Ripping off this plastic, it's always good fun. Cool, obviously we've got our instruction booklets, quite a few of them, and there's actually also the nice little pouch to carry all your spare bits and bobs. Our booklets, always good to read through those. There's one of our dead cats to prevent our wind exposure. We've got a Type-C cable, got a standard 3.5 to 3.5 jack, and here is the pièce de résistance, the charging case itself. Inside this little case, of course, we have the two transmitters and the one receiver. Now that receiver has a touchscreen LED setup and allows you to easily adjust your parameters, including your audio gain as well as your channels. So it's really great that you can edit all of that on the fly. We've also got the two smartphone adapters, so you can easily plug them into the receiver and you can then plug your smartphone straight into those, and you can even adjust those parameters there. That's basically it. Quite a powerful little setup. The DJI Mic system is also cross-compatible with a multitude of DJI products, including the Action 2. Simply chuck it straight in, bang, you are ready to vlog. That's quite handy as well because you've got this self-facing screen, so you can look at your framing as well as your audio peak levels on the actual DJI Mic as well, so fantastic if you're flying solo. We have up to 14 hours of onboard memory storage, which is fantastic, and up to 15 hours battery life, meaning you could shoot for an entire day. These can easily be used with iPhones and USB-C smartphones as well. You can also plug them directly straight into your laptop or camera, like what we're doing today. The new DJI wireless mic has a maximum distance of 250 meters. That means that the transmitter can reach the receiver from here, here, and here. Dual channel recording means you can record from both microphones at once. This can be fantastic for things like interviews, where you can have one on the interviewer and one on the interviewee. For example, we've got Mason behind the camera. G'day, Mason.
Hello, this is mic number 2.
Well, that's about all we have time for today in this first look unboxing of the new DJI Mic system. We have these in stock and available. Our stock has just landed here in Australia, so if you want to check it out, you can go to any of our 8 DJI stores around Australia, or you can check it out online on d1store.com.au. Well, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next unboxing video. I have no idea what I'm doing. That means the receiver can reach the receiver. Oh my God.